Greetings, I'm James Smith, and I'm here to introduce you to a revolutionary tool that's about to change the game for your online business, VidPal Ai. With the power of GPT-4, VidPal Ai empowers you to effortlessly craft amazing whiteboard sales videos, business ads, informative tutorials, and product promos in mere seconds. But here's the real kicker. When you make your purchase through the link below, you're not just getting VidPal Ai. You're also unlocking a vault of exclusive bonuses I've personally curated for you. Stick with me until the end of this video, and I'll unveil this special collection of extras that'll help you skyrocket your success. Get ready to drive traffic, boost conversions, and experience growth like never before in your chosen niche with VidPal Ai. Let's start with our video. Introducing VidPal Ai, a groundbreaking application powered by GPT-4 that can swiftly generate compelling whiteboard sales videos, engaging business ads, informative explainer tutorials, and more. It's a game-changer in the world of video marketing, creating captivating videos without requiring any design skills. VidPal Ai can drive traffic to your blogs, boost conversions, and elevate sales in various niches. With VidPal Ai, you can create whiteboard videos that not only grab attention but also convert viewers into loyal customers. Craft unforgettable business ads that captivate your target audience and deliver outstanding results for your advertising campaigns. Educate and engage your audience with engaging explainer and tutorial videos, positioning yourself as an industry expert. Share valuable information in visually appealing videos, keeping your viewers informed and engaged. Promote your products or services with captivating product promo videos, sparking interest and increasing sales. Build high-converting squeeze page videos to attract and convert leads, expanding your subscriber base. VidPal Ai enables you to generate videos aligned with chosen keywords, maximizing your visibility on search engines and driving organic traffic. You can also transform static images into dynamic, eye-catching video slideshows to captivate your audience. Effortlessly create videos using image URLs, saving time and streamlining your content production process. Give new life to your existing videos by editing and enhancing them, ensuring your content remains appealing and relevant to your audience. VidPal Ai isn't just about video creation, it's about enhancing sales and engagement. Engaging video content will bring more visitors to your website, increase click-through rates, and ultimately lead to higher sales. With a commercial license, you can create outstanding video content and attract premium-paying clients. Impress them with your work quality, help them achieve their marketing goals, and boost your profits. As our conversation comes to a close, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude for your time and trust. Your presence here has been the highlight of my day, and I genuinely appreciate your engagement. But before we say our goodbyes, let's explore something unique. When you decide to make this product yours through the link below, you're not just making a purchase, you're unlocking a treasure trove of carefully selected bonuses that I've personally chosen to make your journey even more enjoyable. Take a moment to discover these incredible extras on the screen right now, and when you're ready, simply click that link to claim them all. That's all for this video, guys.